morning, sir, and all our present here, wonderful people. Today, my presentation topic is, firstly, I would like to thank you, sir. You have given me this golden chance. Before telling my topic's name, I will ask you one question. So, how are you?
We are fine.
What is the way to say how are you? Say how are you? I'm fine. What about you? You should ask me also. If I say I'm not well, see, visualize I'm okay. Even that I'm speaking, I'm telling I'm okay. But if I say I'm not feeling well, I'm not okay, so how will you judge me? That means I have some problem. That's why I'm saying you that I'm not well.
Yes.
For only physique, we cannot say that that person is okay. So my topic is mental health. Do you think about that?
Yes.
Why is it important? It's very important. Nowadays we are not giving the time to our mental health. Sometimes it's easy to say that you are a mental problem, you are mental, you are mad. But do you think that what is the impact of our life? Mental health means we are improving our physical health, we are doing all things, but we are not thinking about our mental health. When I search in internet, do you know that how many students they are committing suicide in a day?
Around more than, if you can say, more than 30. More than?
I was shocked at 35 students, only student, talking about students, not other actors or farmers and housewives, not other people. Only students, they 35, more than 35 students committed suicide in a day. What is the reason behind? Why they are committing the suicide?
Family pressure, expectation from us. Expectation from us.
We also have expectations. Our parents, they should give us these things, they should do these things. But why people are committing suicide?
Because they are not able to handle pressure. They are not able to handle that pressure.
Yeah, that's why we need to check our mental health. We need to, as we are keeping our physical health, we need to keep the mental health also. Have you seen MS Dhoni movie?
Yes.
Who's actor? Have you heard about him?
Yes.
He was nice. He has all things like name, fame, everything he had. So why he committed suicide?
Mental health, depression. Because of pressure, I think.
First, we need to know what is the mental health. I think mental health it includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It's important. It's affect our thinking way also. What we are thinking, what we are thinking about others. This is our mental health. Physically, if we are hungry, we will eat food. Are you feeling sleepy? So, we need nowadays, because many people they have many things, whatever we need for money and everything, but they are not able to handle their life properly. They are not happy. Okay. In actors also, because whenever we have seen them, that person we share, okay, they are like a dream. They are living like a dream. They have all things, but why they are committing suicide? We need to know about that thing. Second, farmers, they are doing very hard work. Again, they have to, because they are not properly mentally. Nowadays, have you seen the small kids? They are simply we have a lot of stress. We have a burden of homework. Why?
Because the environment creates a pressure.
So that's why we need to check our health also, our mental health also, what we think. Common people also, housewives. Have you seen many housewives? Why they are committing the suicide?
Because
Family pressure
is there.
Family pressure also, kids also have pressure. We need to check, because if have you seen that sir always says the problem if have a solution, that is a problem. If you don't have any solution, that means this is not your problem. So every problem have solution. We should search it. We should do this thing. Next, how can we improve? What do you do for your mental health?
What we call we should do regular checkup. We should consult the doctor.
Doctor, every person don't want to go with the doctor.
Meditation, yoga, meditation and yoga.
Yes, Sanjay. What do you think?
spending time.
Being a student, we are a student. Just I'm talking about ourselves. Then we are a student. What should we do? What can we do? In our daily life, not all means once in a month or once in a year. It's a need to daily life. See, I would like to tell you that 5 finger tips. These things. Just because we don't remember these things, it's my conclusion for 5 finger tips. What happens? Do the meditation. Meditation keeps to yourself. You can talk to yourself, not others. Even that 5 to 10 minutes, at least 20 minutes, but whatever time you have, just do then sit and think about yourself. Okay? Then second, exercise, yoga and work. Whatever whatever you want to do. Third is ignorance. Mostly people would think and what others think about us, this thing. Next is sleep properly. Okay? And third is pride. Pride. If you are a student, you should give the pride of your study, because if you do study, you will get to success. You will feel happy. That things will be very important to us. Thank you for listening to me. May I give any queries, please?
So what we should do to remove our stress, because nowadays stress has become a common issue in our India also. So what we should do?
Well, firstly, being a human, I think we should give some time to ourselves. Just before go to bed, when you get up in the morning, just give 5 minutes to yourself. Think yourself, what is my priority? What should I do? What did I, at night you can say, what did I do? What should have not done by you? These things, if daily purpose we will do, we can increase our mental health. Yoga, exercise, good food, many things. Sometimes they are some people listening to music for their mental, they are stressed. They are very stressed. They say, oh, we will sing a song, we will listen to a song. That's things you can do. Okay. Thank you. Next, yes, Sandeep.
What steps could be taken by the government to stop the suicide by the students?
Well, what happened nowadays, government also giving the stress to students because competition is high. Many people, have you seen in Uttarakhand government, we have the video exams, the digital courses, they are postponed. So what happened? Who was preparing before the 10 years? They have given exam. Even that one of my relatives, he is a last miss, he has a 43, it was the last age limit. He has given. Then the exam was postponed. So what happened? So government's responsibility, they have provide some tax, or they should not force the students. But it's our responsibility, we should think about it. No other.